Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 20. Which of the following represent the largest amount of money? Which of the following represents the largest amount of money? 300% of 1,000, 2% of 100,000, 50% of 7,500, and 3% of 100,000. Now let's briefly analyze each of them. Option A says 300% of 1,000. Now 300% of 1,000 simply means 300 all over 100 multiplied by 1,000, and that will give us what? 3,000. Now 2% of 100,000 simply means 2 all over 100 multiplied by 100,000. This 0 will cancel this 0, and then 2 times 1,000 will give us 2,000. Now 50% of 7,500 will give us this 0 will cancel this 0. Now 50 times 75 now will give us 3,725 naira. Now 3%, which is option D, of 100,000, that is 3 all over 100 multiplied by 100,000, is equals to 3,000 naira. Now looking at this, you see that the largest amount of money here is option C, which gives us 3,725 naira. So the 750 naira, 750 naira. So the answer to this question is actually option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.